the One Nation, One Poll bill. In fact, once again, the Samajwadi Party is saying that it stands strong against in its stand on One Nation, One Poll bill. In fact, note earlier, the Samajwadi Party Supremo Akhilesh Yadav had termed One Nation, One Poll bill as nothing but quote-unquote jugaad bill of the central government.
तो बिल आएगा वो तो आएगा ही। इसमें हमारी पार्टी तो उसका इंट्रोडक्शन का ही विरोध करेगी, क्योंकि वो संविधान की तमाम धाराओं के खिलाफ है। और वो बिल पास होने के बाद भी जो कमियां अभी हैं कि पैसा बहुत खर्च होता है, तब भी अगर विधानसभा भंग हो जाती है बीच में, अगर अविश्वास प्रस्ताव से या लोग दल बदल करके इधर उधर चले जाते हैं, तो तत्काल फिर चुनाव कीजिए, तो चुनाव तो होते ही रहेंगे इधर उधर। तो बिल आएगा वो तो आएगा ही। इसमें हमारी पार्टी तो उसका इंट्रोडक्शन का ही विरोध करेगी, क्योंकि वो संविधान की तमाम धाराओं के खिलाफ है। और वो बिल पास होने के बाद भी जो कमियां अभी हैं कि पैसा बहुत खर्च होता है, तब भी अगर विधानसभा भंग हो जाती है बीच में, अगर अविश्वास प्रस्ताव से या लोग दल बदल करके इधर उधर चले जाते हैं, तो तत्काल फिर चुनाव कीजिए, तो चुनाव तो होते ही रहेंगे इधर उधर।
And shifting focus to the global story that we are tracking, the big story that is making headlines this morning is a possible resignation of incumbent Prime Minister Justin Trudeau in wake of the mounting pressure on him with just months to go for the elections in the country. So it's President-elect Donald Trump who's mocked Justin Trudeau after the Finance Minister and Deputy Prime Minister tendered his resignation, citing differences with Justin Trudeau over tariff policies in the country. So speculation is rife that Justin Trudeau has been facing a lot of pressure to tender his resignation as a Prime Minister. He's been facing rebellion not just from the opposition but by MPs from his own Liberal Party. And joining us on the broadcast is senior journalist Daniel Boardman. He's joining us live from Toronto. Mr. Boardman, appreciate you joining us on the broadcast this morning. The big story, of course, is the headline that Justin Trudeau has been making, that there is a possible resignation that could come in over the next few days. Talk to us about what are the reasons essentially over the last few days. Is it really because of the tariff policy, or is it also because of the backlash that Justin Trudeau has been facing given the Khalistani extremism has been on the rise under his watch?
Well, among other types of extremism, it's not the only one that's increasing. All of them are. This does not have to do with Khalistan. This is more internal Liberal Party politics and Chrystia Freeland trying to preserve her legacy. So they're saying it's over the tariffs and a way to deal with America and this and that. A lot of that is smoke. What this is actually about is, okay, she's the finance minister, and there's supposed to be a $40 billion limit to the deficit, $40 billion, which is obscene still. But they blew past that this quarter to $62 billion. And it was so embarrassing. The financial state of the country is in such disarray that Justin Trudeau wanted her to deliver the fall economic statement, take the fall as the one who ruined the country, then throw her under the bus. This is how Trudeau operates. And Chrystia Freeland's been a big part of this. She's thrown many people under the bus for Justin Trudeau, stabbed many friends in the back, lied, froze bank accounts, generally evil woman to the core. But then she quite correctly saw the writing on the wall that Justin Trudeau was sort of preparing her for the annual bus throwing of the cabinet minister. And she kind of pulled it, okay, if I'm going down, you're going down with me, and grabbed Trudeau and kind of used him as a human shield as the bus came to hit them both. So that's kind of what's going on. The reason why the economic statement had to come out today, because legally it must be out before the end of the parliamentary session going into winter. So like today was the last day or tomorrow was the last day, it could really come out. Justin Trudeau has decided to do this. He's decided to skip Parliament tomorrow. He's not coming in to answer questions. He's just running away.